to in Matthew 14:22-33. The disciples are out there on the Sea of Galilee because Jesus commands them to go across the sea. And in the middle of the night, the early morning hour, Jesus is walking on the sea towards them. And so they're all afraid. So Jesus tells them, don't be afraid. And so Peter says, Lord, if that's you, command me to walk out. And so Peter goes out and starts walking on the water. All of a sudden he notices these waves. The storm is acting crazy. The wind is blowing. And so he loses focus on Jesus. At that point he starts sinking. And the only thing that he can say is, Lord, save me. Immediately, Jesus reaches out his hand and pulls them from drowning in that sea. Every now and then, we will lose focus upon Christ. The great thing is that we can call upon him, say, Lord, save me, when the storms start crashing upon us. And he is right there, a hand